Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn Microsoft points and how you can basically redeem them into Roblox points. So here, go to earn, and if you go down here, you can get 10 points by understanding the key elements that make up these structures, and there's some other stuff as well here. I guess you can, there's like more activities down here as well. If you want more points, you do need level 2 for that. So for instance, if you want 10 points, it's just going to bring you here. And I guess you need to just browse around here and you'll get points by browsing using Bing. And then you'll get points here, and then there's also other stuff you can get. To redeem the rewards, go to the redeem section. And then here, you'll need 6,000 points. I only have 700. You'll need around 6,750 points. And you can select an option, 400 Robux, 800 is a little bit more, and then 1,000 is like 16,000 points. That's how you can basically do Microsoft rewards and like earn some other rewards too. There's other options that you want to redeem, but I feel like a lot of people would want the Robux one. But again, you will need a lot of options for this. Sorry, you'll need a lot of points for that. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Don't forget to log into your Microsoft account as well. That is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!